All right, well, lots of sunshine heading our direction today. We always love to see that, of course, in July. That usually brings us a lot of sun, but it also brings us quite a bit of heat. So we have both of those two things coming today. Dew point temperatures will start to climb as well. We have a cold front that's coming in tomorrow that could bring us our one day only shot at rain, but it's only a 30% chance. So we're just not going to see a ton of rain from this system. The good news is we had plenty over the weekend. Now we start kind of into more of a dry, calm weather week where just not a lot goes on because we saw a lot of action last week. So that's good news that we're starting to calm down. A little bit of patchy fog out there this morning. Otherwise, the sunshine continues as a weak high pressure system remains in control of the forecast. Moving into the day tomorrow, we start off with a little bit of cloud cover. Cold front keeps us in those clouds for a good chunk of the day. We will see some sunshine, but also the chance to pick up a couple of showers as we head into maybe midday or early afternoon. Not everyone will see rain. Again, it's only a 30% chance, but in that 30%, there could be a couple of heavy downpours, maybe a few lightning strikes and rumbles of thunder, just like what we did see last week. But the severe threat is very low tomorrow. I think there may be a marginal risk for far eastern Kentucky. Otherwise, that cold front sweeps on through. It will begin to dry out for the rest of the work week as the heat starts to build again toward the end of the week and next weekend. As far as how much rain we have picked up for the summer, it's been low. June, of course, we know was very, very dry, but so far in July, we have picked up 1.85 inches, nearly 2 inches of rain just in the past 10 days. So that goes and will go a far way, of course, in helping our drought conditions. And so far for the month of July, we are actually in a surplus, not a deficit. That's good news. We'll take that. 30% chance of rain again tomorrow. Then after that, it's about 10% every day, carrying us all the way into the weekend and even beyond. A big ridge of heat again is building in the Midwest. It does start to scoot our direction. So by the time we get closer to maybe late mid-July, we will begin to see more of those low to mid 90s heading our direction. We'll get a taste of that coming up this coming weekend. Temperatures, dew points starting to feel a little bit more tropical as well. 68-degree dew points today, 70 tomorrow, pushing us into the tropical range. But then we have that cold front that dips us all the way back down to the upper 50s. So that will be feeling a whole lot more comfortable for us. Today probably is going to be feeling like the low 90s for most of the state. We have a southwest wind, so we know when the winds are out of the southwest, that pulls in more of that moisture from the south. So we are going to be heating up. Of course, we'll see plenty of sunshine, just a few fair weather cumulus clouds, but not as many as yesterday. For tonight, still mild, warm, lows down around 72 degrees. We'll stay dry. Hour by hour, we're looking at the 70s by 8 a.m. Then after that, we're into the upper 80s for most of the day, with highs topping out in the low 90s for many of us. Same goes for Tuesday, high of 91 degrees, feeling like the mid 90s. We camp out near normal for a bit, and then it's a hot weekend, lots of sunshine ahead.